Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to save sheets as PDF in Google Sheets Mobile. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, now what you need to do, simply open the spreadsheet which you want to convert. So then what you are going to do is access to the menu. So here at the top right corner you will see three vertical dots. If you click on that, it will open up this small menu. So you have here a bunch of options. What you are going to do is click on share and export, and now click on save as. It will pop up here the window with the options. So you have Excel, PDF document, so we want PDF, and click OK. Now as you can see, it's saving and it will open up in in PDF this our spreadsheet. And this is pretty much what you need to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.